I recently launched a book called WhatsApp Influencer Secrets, and I designed the book covers that I've used to promote this book for the past few weeks using AI. Yes, AI made these book covers for me for free. This is not me trying to do any design skills. I did not do any designing. I only gave the AI instructions and it gave me my ebooks in less than 2 minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the kind of instructions I gave it. And also, I'm also going to be showing you the AI tool I used that gave me these beautiful results that you're seeing on the screen right now. So if you're interested in about that, make sure you watch this video to the end. And don't just watch, become part of the family, subscribe, turn on the notification bell and share. I see all your shares. You guys always share my videos and I'm so excited and really grateful for that. So let's keep it up. Let's keep telling people about this channel. The content that is on this channel is life-changing. So let us not stop. Thank you so much for joining. Now let's get straight into it. So if you're writing a new book and you need a book cover, you might need to spend within 5,000 to 50,000 naira to get quality book covers depending on the graphic designer that you hired. But with AI, you can scrap all that away and do your book cover for free. Now let me show you 2 steps that you need to take. Don't just take 1 step and run away. Don't just get the name of the AI tool and run, because you might end up giving it rubbish instructions and getting rubbish results out. It's giggle, garbage in, garbage out. So now let's start. The first step you need to take is to write something called a creative brief. This is a summary of what your book cover should look like and the content, from the background to the pictures to everything. So anybody or any tool that sees that creative brief understands exactly what you want to create. The first step is to open your notes app on your phone or your Google Docs, any app you use to take notes on your phone, and then write out about this ebook, starting from the background color, the title. You write the title and you also write in brackets how you want the title to look, uppercase or lowercase, what fonts do you want to use if you know the font name, what colors you want to use if you know the color codes, you add the color codes. You do the same thing for the subtitle, you do the same thing for the author's name, you do the same thing for any other text you want to add, and also you talk about any picture or logo you want to add. For me, this is a book on WhatsApp marketing, so it should have a WhatsApp logo. Also, I want green and white to be the colors so it can reflect exactly what we're talking about, which is WhatsApp marketing. So once you're done typing all these things exactly the way I typed them in your Google Docs or your Notes app, now you're going to go over to the AI tool. Now, the AI tool I used is called Leonardo AI. There are so many AI tools out there today that can help you generate AI images. But then again, you need to know the one that will give you the best results. And I tried a lot of them before I concluded that Leonardo AI gave me the best results in the shortest time with little or no mistakes. AI is not human. Even humans make mistakes. So you should know that sometimes the AI tool will make mistakes. You just have to keep correcting over and over again so it gives you exactly what you want. If you check my previous video where I used Meta AI to create logo for my new business, you would see that it gave me lots of mistakes, but I kept correcting and correcting and correcting until we finally got a beautiful, gorgeous logo that I have used. So you don't have to expect perfect answers the first time. You just have to be patient because it is an AI and it is bound to make mistakes. So once you go to your browser, you type leonardo.ai. that's the website. It also has an app, but let's stick to using the website. Once you get there, you'll be asked to sign up if you have not used it before. You can sign up with your email. You can also sign up with your Google account. Once you do that, you sign up, you set up your password and everything, you see the page looking exactly like this. Now, this is where you can now generate images. You can put in your prompt, generate images. You need 12 credits to generate about 4 images per prompt. So you can keep generating and generating and generating and generating. All right. So now here's what we're going to tell the AI to do. We're going to go back to our notepad. We're going to copy everything that we wrote in the creative brief, copy everything down to the letter. I'm going to come back to Leonardo AI. Now you're going to give it an instruction. You're going to start like this. Create a professional, good looking book cover for a new book I just wrote titled WhatsApp Influencer Secrets. Now, you give a little space and you write, here is a detailed requirement of what the book cover should contain and look like. Put your 2 dots and then you paste everything you copied from your notes app down there. If there's any other thing you want to add, like I would like to say something like, do not add any extra thing. For me, don't add any extra pictures, because you might want to add some foreign pictures. I would like, do not add any extra pictures, don't add any extra text, just do exactly as I said. And now once you're done, you click on enter or generate. Once it's done, you just give it a few seconds to generate your images, and here you go. These are your beautiful, gorgeous book covers that you can now use to sell and promote your book online. Now, like I said earlier, if you don't like this, you can keep regenerating until your credits for the day finish. Once they finish in 24 hours or by the new day, it reloads automatically, so you have new credits to generate AI images. But look at these images. Are they not beautiful? You can save them, you can save 1 or 2 and use them to promote your book, and you've automatically saved the money you would have paid a graphics designer to design for you. So if you liked this content, all you should do is share it, post it on your WhatsApp status, tell somebody about it if this video has been helpful to you, and if you've learned anything new from it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. The links to the AI tool will also be put in the description, video description, so you can just go there and click on it and go straight to the AI tool. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, because I will be reading and I will be answering questions. So thank you so much for watching, and okay, let's see those who watched to the end. I love to know those who watched to the end of my video. So if you watch to the end of my video, just type AI book covers in the comment section. Type AI book covers in the comment section and let me know that you watched till the end of this video. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, tell a friend about this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.